Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss very important questions of the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So let us discuss the first question. What is the common difference of an AP in which A21 minus A7 equals to 84? So what is the meaning of A21? A21 means 21st term. So what will be the formula for 21st term? That will be A plus 20D. Next, A7 means seventh term, right? So seventh term formula will be A plus 6D. Now these two formulas difference is 84. So A plus 20D minus, after minus we have two terms, so keep the bracket, A plus 6D equals 84. Now first let us try to remove the bracket. So A plus 20D as it is, minus into A minus into plus 6D minus 6D equals 84, plus A minus A cancel, 20D minus 6D, 14D equals 84. 14 table where will get 84? 6 times. So D value is 6. That is a common difference is 6. The next question is, for what value of k will the consecutive terms 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3 and 5k minus 1 form an AP? If some terms are in AP means what is the general logic we know? Common difference is same. So it means second term minus first term, that is 3k plus 3 minus, in the first term two terms are there, so bracket must 2k plus 1 equals third term minus second term, so that is 5k minus 1 minus bracket compulsory 3k plus 3. So let us try to simplify this. 3k plus 3 as it is, opening the bracket, minus into 2k minus into plus 1 minus 1 equals 5k minus 1 minus into 3k minus into plus 3 minus 3. First let us simplify the left side and as well as right side. 3k minus 2k is 1k or simply k. 3 minus 1 it is 2, which is equals 5k minus 3k 2k minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So what I will do is k I am keeping as it is, 2k I'll take to the left side, so it will become minus 2k equals minus 4 as it is, plus 2 I'll take to the right side, so it will become minus 2. K minus 2k minus k equals minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Both sides negative symbol cancel, then the k value is 6. The next question is, find the 10th term of the sequence root 2, root 8, root 18 and so on. So here root 2, if we observe, the inside number is a prime number, so we cannot simplify this further. So root 2 is itself root 2 again. Now coming to the root 8. 8 is not a prime number. So what we need to do? 8 we need to write it as a product of two numbers. In that one number should be compulsory a perfect square. So that's why 8 I am writing it as 4 twos. So that here root 4 is a perfect square. So now this I am separating it as root 4 into root 2. Root 4 value is 2. This root 2 as it is. So 2 root 2. The same way root 18, which is equals to 18, we need to write it as a product of two numbers in which one is a perfect square compulsory. So for example, if I take 18 as 3 6 3 is not a perfect square, 6 is not a perfect square, so there is no use of taking this one. So I'll go with something else, that is 9 twos, because 9 is a square of 3. So now this I'm separating it as root 9 into root 2, which is equals root 9 is 3 into root 2. So now we got all the three numbers. That is, first one is root 2 and the second one is 2 root 2 and the third one is 3 root 2. Now he is asking to find the 10th term, right? So what will be the 10th term formula? 8 10 equals a plus 9d, which is equals, a is nothing but the first term. First term is root 2 plus 9 into d means common difference, right? That is second term minus first term or else third term minus second term. So here we got the second term as 2 root 2 and the first term as root 2. From 2 root 2, if I subtract root 2 is the same as 1 root 2, then what we will get here? Root 2 as it is, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 root 2 is the difference or else simply root 2, which is equals root 2 plus 9 into root 2, 9 root 2. Now here root 2 alone is there means it is 1 root 2, right? So 1 root 2 plus 9 root 2 is 10 times root 2, that is 10 root 2. So the 10th term of the given AP is 10 root 2. Let us move to the next question. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So first if you start moving from the 2-digit numbers, two-digit number starts from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on till the last two-digit number is 99. But in this question is specifically asking the two-digit numbers which are divisible by 7 only. So here 10 is not divisible by 7, 11 is not divisible, 12 is not divisible by 7, 13 is not divisible by 7. So the next number is 14. Yes, 14 is divisible by 7. So in our required progression, the first term is 14. Then he is speaking about divisible by 7, right? So keep on adding 7. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28 and so on. Then what is the last digit? Here last two digit is 99, right? Let us check whether 99 comes in 7 table or not. Obviously 99 won't come in 7 table, so I'll move to the back, that is 98. Yes, 98 will come in 7 table. So last two digit number which is divisible by 7 is 98. Now I have a arithmetic progression. In that first term is there, I can find out the common difference also, and last term is there. Now he is asking how many terms are there like this. So in the AN formula, we need to find out the n value. How many terms means n value we need to find out. So nth term formula is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an means this is the last term. So last term is 98, right? So in the place of an, replace 98 equals a means first term, that is 14 plus n we need to find out into d is common difference, and we are discussing about divisible by 7. So obviously d is 7 only. Now first take 14 to the left side, it will be now 98 minus 14 equals n minus 1 into 7. 98 minus 14 is 84, which is equals n minus 1 into 7. Now take this 7 also to the left side, it will become division. So 84 divided by 7 equals n minus 1. So 84 by 12 is, sorry, 7 is 12. 12 equals n minus 1, then n value is 12 plus 1, it is 13. So total 13 two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7. Moving to the next question, find whether minus 150 is a term of the AB 17, 12, 7, 2 and so on or not. So first he is speaking about find whether minus 150 is a term, right? So AN is given as minus 150. So he is asking to check whether the term exists in the given progression or not, means he is asking us to find out the n value. And first term, that is A, is given as 17. Then common difference is second term minus first term, right? Here 12 minus 17, that is smaller number minus bigger number. So our answer will be negative. 12 minus 17 is minus 5. Now let us substitute in our formula. Nth term formula, if we take an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. An is minus 150, which is equals a value 17 plus n value we need to find out into common difference is minus 5. Whenever common difference you are writing as negative number, bracket compulsory for that. So taking 17 to the left side, minus 150 plus 17 become minus 17 equals n minus 1 into minus 5. So minus 150 minus 17 is minus 167, which is equals n minus 1 into minus 5. Now taking minus 5 also to the left side, here it is multiplication. If you take another side, it will become division. So minus 167 divided by minus 5 equals n minus 1. Then how we are going to decide whether this term will exist in the given progression or not, means if the n value is any natural number, then only that particular term lies in the given progression, otherwise it won't. So let us check here whether are we going to get a natural number only or else anything else. Here negative negative cancel. Now 5 table 167 won't come. So if we try to solve this also, we'll get some decimal value only but not a natural number. So that's why we can conclude that minus 150 is not a term of the given arithmetic progression. Moving to the next question. The sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24 and sum of sixth and tenth terms is 44, then find that arithmetic progression. Here is speaking about fourth and eighth terms addition is 24. So what is the formula for fourth term? That is a plus 3d plus eighth term a plus 7d. So the sum of fourth term and eighth term is 24 and sum of sixth term and tenth terms is 44. So sixth term formula is a plus 5d plus tenth term formula is a plus 9d and that is equals to 44. First let us try to simplify this now. Here a plus a, it is 2a plus 3d plus 7d 10d equals 24. Moving to the second equation, a plus a 2a plus 5d plus 9d 14d equals 44. Now these two equations I am doing subtraction. So if we are doing subtraction, second equation all the symbols will change. So plus 2a will become minus 2a, plus 14d becomes minus 14d, plus 44 becomes minus 44. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel, 10d minus 14d minus 4d equals 24 minus 44 is minus 20. Both the sides negative symbol cancel, then we remains with 4d equals 20. So 4 ones are 4 fives are. So d value is 5. Now let us take any one of the equations. So if we substitute this d value, we'll get the a value. I'm taking the first equation, that is 2a plus 10d equals 24. 2a unknown as it is plus 10 into d value is 5, which is equals to 24. 2a plus 10 5 is 50 equals 24. Taking 50 another side. So 2a equals 24 minus 50. 2a equals minus 26. 2 ones are 2, 13 times. So a value is minus 13. First term is minus 13 and the common difference is 5. Then he's asking us to write the arithmetic progression. Okay, so what we will do is write the first term, that is minus 13. Keep on adding the common difference now. Minus 13, here common difference we got as 5, right? So minus 13 plus 5, it is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5, it is 2 and so on. Okay, the next question is, for what value of n the nth terms of two progressions are equal to each other? And this is the first progression is given as 63 comma 65 comma 67 comma and so on, and the second progression is given as 3 comma 10 comma 17 comma and so on. Now he is asking us for what value of n, it means which term are the nth terms are equal. So for which term both the terms are equal to each other. So now let us check for the first arithmetic progression. So I am applying nth term formula for the first AP. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals, first term is 63 plus n we don't know into common difference is second term minus first term, right? That is 65 minus 63, it is 2, which is equals 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. Now taking the second progression, for second progression also I am writing the nth term. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals, a value is 3 plus n don't know, n minus 1 into common difference is second term minus first term, that is 10 minus 3, which is 7. Okay, now he said very clearly that the nth terms are equal to each other, right? So let us equate these two answers to each other, that is 63 plus, there's n minus 1 into 2, I'm separating, 2 into n, 2n, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, which is equals to nth term of the next AP, that is, 3 plus 7 into n, 7n, minus 7 ones are 7. Now here left side if you observe, 63 minus 2, it is 61 plus 2n as it is, which is equals 3 minus 7 minus 4 plus 7n as it is. Now 61 as it is, taking minus 4 to the left side, it will become plus 4, which is equal 7n as it is. 2n I am taking right side, it will become minus 2n. 61 plus 4 is 65 equals 7n minus 2n is 5n. 5 ones are 5 13s are. So n is 13. It means in the both the progressions 15th terms are same numbers. If 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus and so on plus x equals to 87, then find the value of x. Here 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus and so on. Some particular number of terms are there, maybe 10 terms are 15 terms or 13 terms are like that. Those all the terms addition is 287. Then he's asking how many terms are there. It means we need to go with the SN formula, sum of n terms. SN equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn means what is the number he gave. Sum of all those terms he gave us 287, right? So 287 equals to n value. How many terms are there? We don't know. So n by 2 as it is into 2 into a value first term 1 plus n is unknown into d 4 minus 1 it is 3. 287 equals n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus dividing this one 3 into n 3n minus 3 ones are 3. I am taking this 2 to the left side. Here it is division. If I take another side, it will become multiplication, right? So it will be now 287 into 2 equals n as it is into, here I have 2 and minus 3, right? So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 3n as it is. Now 287, 2s are 2s in the 14, 4 1 carry, 286, 77 1 carry, 2 so 574 which is equals to n into minus 1 plus 3n. 574 as it is which is equals to n into minus 1 minus n into 3n plus 3n square. Now taking 574 to the right side plus 3n square as it is minus n as it is plus 574 will become minus 574 which is equals to 0. Now to solve this value we can go with the splitting middle term into two terms or else substituting in the formula. So I am going with substituting in the formula. So for that one let us check what are a b c values. A is nothing but n square coefficient, that is 3. B value is n coefficient which is minus 1 and the constant is minus 574. Now let us try to write this in the formula. So what is the formula to find out the root or zeros of a quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation? That is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula to find out the roots or zeros of a given quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. Minus b value is minus 1. Already we have minus here. So minus of minus 1 it will be plus 1 plus or minus under root b square, that is minus 1 square minus 4 into a value is 3 into c value is minus 574 whole divided by 2 into a value is 3 which is equals 1 plus or minus under root 1 square 1. Here one minus symbol is there, here one more minus symbol is there, so minus into minus plus 4 into 3 12, 12 into 574 which is 6888 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. Now let us try to simplify more further, especially inside the under root. 1 plus or minus under root 6888 plus 1 is 6889 divided by 6 which is equals to 1 plus or minus, let us find out which number square root is 6889, that is 83. So under root 6889 is 83 divided by 6 as it is. Now first take plus then minus. So it will be now 1 plus 83 by 6 or else 1 minus 83 by 6. 1 plus 83 is 84 divided by 6. 1 minus 83 is minus 82 by 6. Now in this one we are finding how many terms, right? So terms will be, I mean number of terms will be always a positive number only, but here this we got as negative number, so it means this value is not required for us one then. So 64, sorry, 84 by 6 is 16, no, 14. So 14 terms are there completely in that given progression, so that the sum is whatever they said. Next question. In an AP, if the sixth term and 13th terms are 35 and 70. So first he is speaking about the sixth term. Sixth term is 35, right? So sixth term formula is A plus 5D. That is given as 35. Next, 13th term. So 13th term is 70. 13th term formula is A plus 12D, which is equals 70. These two equations I am doing subtraction. So plus A becomes minus A plus 12D minus 12D plus 70 minus 70. A cancel, 5D minus 12D minus 7D, which is equals 35 minus 70 minus 35. Both negatives cancel, 7 ones are 7 fives are. So D, that is common difference is 5. Now let us substitute this D value in the first equation, that A plus 5D equals 35. So A plus 5 into D value is 5, which is equals 35. Plus 5 is a 25 equals 35. Take plus 25 to the right side, then it will become minus 25. So 35 minus 25, A value is 10. So A value 10 and D value 5. Now he is asking, find the sum of its first 20 terms. So first let us write the formula for sum of the n terms. Formula is Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for this, first thing we need to check is we need to have a value, that is first term, of course we have, and we need to have the common difference, that is d value, of course this also we have. Next we need to find out n value, that is how many terms are involved in this. He is speaking about find the sum of it first 20 terms, right? So n value is 20. Let us apply now. Equals n value 20 by 2 into 2 into a value, that is first term. Just only we got the answer, that is 10. So substituting 10 in the place of a, plus n is unknown, minus 1 into d is 5. So which is 20 by 2 is 10 into 2 tens are 20 plus 5 into n. Oh, sorry, n value we know, right? 20 it is. Sorry. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 5s are 95, which is equals 10 times 95 plus 20 is 115, which is equals 10 into 115 is 1150. So the sum of those 20 terms is 1150.